first question. First question is, what do I do with my life? I'm unhappy. All my life, I felt like I was meant to do more, but I never been able to find it. I hate my career and I have no meaningful connections in my life. And the few that I do, I've ruined. What am I passionate about? What should I be doing? I can't live without a path anymore. I need to know. So the first thing that I want to point out to you is that it's okay that you're feeling like this. Most people are walking around and they don't know what they're doing in life. They don't know what their purpose is. So hopefully I can help you. I don't know your purpose, but I can definitely help you, put you in the right areas where you can find your purpose. And what you need to do is that you need to understand what's in the past is in the past. The past is done. A lot of times in life, we like to go back in time and realize, oh, I should have done more. Oh, I should have done this. And those are all signs of negativity creeping into your life. What I want you to do, what I want you to understand is what has happened in the past is done. It's concrete, it's solidified. You cannot change the past, but what you can change is what's happening right now in this exact moment. Negativity likes to take you back in time and remember, hey, you remember when you didn't do that? Remember when you couldn't do that? Remember when you weren't strong enough to handle that? And it's going to make you feel worse about yourself, and you're going to keep letting negativity win. What I want you to do is that I want you to take negativity, what I want you to push it aside and tell yourself that you're better than that and start fixing now. We can think about what we could have, should have done for years, for decades. What's that? What is the only thing? What is that going to do for you? It's going to make you feel worse. It's going to eat you up inside because you realize that you should have done something. I should have done something. Once you get to that point where you push negativity aside and you tell yourself, I'm not dwelling on the past anymore. I can do better. And I'm going to show myself right now that I can do better. I'm stronger than this. I'm better than this. I can do better. Whatever happened in my past happened. What I can do right now is walk with confidence and understand what I need to do to accomplish my goal, accomplish my task, accomplish my career goal. You got to stop dwelling on the past. We have all made mistakes in our past. We all have memories that are scarring in our past, that we should have done something. We could have done something. We might have failed at something. But we can't go back and change the past. What you can do is when a situation like that comes up again, you can rise to the occasion and you can do it. Because I'm telling you that you can do it. Don't allow negativity to tell you that you can't do it. Stop going back in the past because you cannot change the past. What you need to do is that you need to shut out the past. You need to stop going back in the past, and you need to identify who you truly are. You need to figure out what gets you motivated, what makes you happy, what makes you smile. And I'm telling you again, it's not going to come from your cell phone. Self-reflecting is not coming from your cell phone. It's not coming from a TV. It's not coming from a metaverse. You got to be able to dig deep alone with yourself and nothing but yourself. You can watch all the videos that you want. You can watch all the motivation videos you want. And as I said before, the only way you are going to truly know yourself is if you sit down and alone and you start to talk to yourself. Go within your mind. It may be uncomfortable in the beginning, but I'm telling you, there is joy with loving yourself. There's joy with knowing yourself. But you got to be able to find what you truly like to do. But if you keep getting distracted, and as I'm going to talk about, you got to be able to be a creator and not a consumer. Almost everybody on this planet is turning into a consumer, where they're not just consuming media, they're consuming content at a massive rate, and they're never understanding, they're never unlocking their creative potential. The reason why we say time flies, and a lot of people say that these years are flying by, is because you're just being a consumer. You're not sitting down with yourself. You're not creating anything. You're just letting life blow by in the passenger seat because you're just consuming all the time. You're consuming this content. You're binging TV. You're not going towards your goals. You're not striving for anything. So you feel like you haven't done anything because you're too busy being a consumer. What I want you to do, and we all need to be consumers at a certain point, but I want you to flip it. I want you to be 80% a creator and 20% a consumer. I want you to start creating again. I want the world to start creating again and stop just sitting around and consuming things, consuming content, consuming music, binge watching TVs, because that's never going to give you anything. It's never going to push you to strive towards your goals. It's just going to make time blow by. And now when you look in your past, you said, I wish I never binge watched that. I wish I would have gotten the gym. I wish I would have done my goals. I wish I would have attacked my goals. But instead, you're just consuming all the time. It's not good for your brain. It's not good for your soul to just consume all the time. You got creative potential in you. You got potential to create something special, whatever that may be. But if you keep consuming, if you keep binge watching, if you keep scrolling through TikTok, your life is going to blow by. Your life is going to blow by. And you know what's going to happen? You are going to look back again in your past because you've never addressed negativity and say, I wish I would have done that. We don't want to get into that state where we wish we would have done something anymore, because today, right now, you can do something. Put down your phone right now and go attack your goals. And it's easy. It's sweet to stay on your phone. It's easy. It's comfortable to stay on your phone, to binge watch a TV show, to not put in the work. But when it comes down, when you actually are looking at yourself and reflecting on yourself, you haven't done anything. You're going to feel bad. Why are you stuck on your phone? Why are you stuck on Netflix? Why are you stuck on TikTok? Why can't you attack your goals? Why can't you do that? Once you start getting out of that consumer mindset and you start creating again, you realize the fun, the joy in creation. Too many people nowadays are in that mindset where they're just consuming content, where they're just in a beta state, beta mind state. Not mind like alpha, beta, like what you want to talk about, red pill, blue pill. I'm talking about brain frequency. Your brain waves are in a beta state all the time. I want you to get out of that and start to become a creator. I want you to know who you truly are, because again, I'm telling you, is that you are more powerful than you think. You're smarter than you think. You're not a failure. You're not your past. You're not these things that the world and negativity has told you. I want you to rip that out. I want you to unplug. I want you to understand that you can do anything you want. You're just getting in your own way. I want you to sit down, practice mindfulness, just about 10 minutes a day, 5 minutes a day. Meditate for 2 minutes, however long you can do it. Slowly start to get out of that mindset where you're a consumer. I want you to slowly start chipping at it. And then once you start to become creative, you start to understand who you truly are, what you truly like to do. Your inspiration is not going to come from your phone. Your inspiration is not going to come through binge watching TV. Finding joy in life is not going to come through binge watching TV. It comes from going outside and actually attacking what you want to do in your life. The TV will always be there. Once you attack your goals, of course you could pop on a TV show and you'll feel good about it. But I don't want to see people just binge watching TV, binge watching social media, and they're not doing nothing with their life. And then they come and ask questions like, I don't know what to do with my life. You're letting life blow by. Your phone is wasting your life away. Unplug it, turn it off, and go find yourself. That's the only way you're going to get through this. That's the only way. There's no secret. There's no hack. All you have to do is go within. Your motivation, all the things that you need have been with you since birth. They've been with you since birth. You just forgot about them. So I want to unlock them for you. I want to help you unlock them for you, because I can't give you the key, but I can help you find the key. And once you unlock your self-happiness, your self-joy, your self-confidence, you're your own machine at that point. You can do whatever you want. You can move mountains. But until you get to that point, you're going to keep feeling bad about yourself. You're going to keep walking around with self-doubt. So the next question